Digging up your property to rip out your old sewer line, there is a better, more environmentally friendly option called trenchless sewer repair. Trenchless has become the preferred method for repairing or replacing a residential sewer, sink, or pool line. The old pipe can be lined or coated with a smooth, hard epoxy resin sheath that seals pipes, leaks, and seams and prevents future root penetration and corrosion. Lining pipes also improves wastewater flow to the main sewer system by as much as 30%. First, a small but powerful camera is inserted into your sewer system to identify any scale, cracks, or root intrusion. Then the pipes are mechanically cleaned by a process called hydrojetting, which uses highly pressurized water to push out all roots and scale buildup, leaving pipes ready for epoxy coating. Once completed, the sewer waste line or supply line is ready to be lined. A piece of flexible liner is cut to fit the entire length of the pipe. Next, an epoxy mixture is poured directly into the liner opening. Then a weighted roller or pinch roller is used to ensure every inch of liner is fully saturated with resin. Liner is then coiled inside an inversion drum. Then the starting end of the liner is securely taped to the inverter drum nozzle, making an airtight seal. Air pressure is used to push or invert the liner into the pipe all the way down through the interior. Next, a calibrated balloon-like tube or cal tube is inserted inside the epoxy liner and is filled with air. The inflated tube presses the epoxy liner against the interior of the damaged pipe. The liner is then allowed to cure in place for 4 to 7 hours, or heat cured for approximately an hour. Once the liner has been allowed to cure, the cal tube is deflated and removed, leaving behind a fully rehabilitated pipe. Without digging up your property to rip out old sewer pipes, trenchless sewer repair will reinforce and strengthen your existing pipes to last decades.